Hey folks, it's Nessa here from Infinitely Zero's channel. Come to show you the December 2024 Darn Good Yarns yarn of the month. This colorway for this month is the Antwerp Twilight. It came with their brochure. This is the gift that came, and this is the yarn. I paid for the extra skein. It's pretty. I don't know. It looks a little dulled out. I don't know if everybody else's also kind of looks like this. And to me, it didn't smell like their usual Darn Good yarn. It smelled a little kind of musty. So anyways, so yeah. So that's their tag, the Darn Good yarn. It's the colorway is called Antwerp Twilight. This one is a sport weight silk yarn, and it's considered a 2-weight yarn. It's 50 grams or 150 yards, 1.8 ounces, 137 meters. No dye lots. Again, this is hand wash, lay flat to dry. And they recommend a US size 4 knitting needles, which is like a 3, I think it's 3.5 millimeters. It's written really small, or a 4 millimeter US G6 crochet hook. So that's that. It might be inverted for you guys. Sorry about that. So yeah. So again, that's what it looks like. And this is what the gift was. It kind of looks like a snowflake. These are the other skeins. And I have the subscription, the monthly subscription for 3. And I paid extra, $8 extra for one extra one. And within the book, this is the book. What was the location that they picked? Charm of Belgium. So that's kind of what they describe. They're saying, twisted sport weight silk yarn for December's yarn of the month. We bring you Antwerp Twilight, a beautifully crafted twist sport weight recycled silk yarn inspired by the enchanting landscapes and misty evenings of Belgium. This exclusive yarn is spun in a soothing blend of colors reminiscent of Belgian winters, featuring soft hues of light sage, deeper green, a warm gray brown, and a touch of rich purple blue. Each skein reflects the elegance and tranquility of twilight settling over Antwerp, making it a perfect choice for cozy projects that capture the charm of the Belgium in every stitch. The charm, they say, is a touch of Belgium charm. It's a festive charm for the holiday season. Antique pewter snowflake pendant. Inspired by the intricate designs of Belgian lace, this ornament features a hollow snowflake design that evokes the elegance of European winter. Perfect for hanging decorations, do-yourself ornaments, or adding unique flair to a seasonal celebration. A delightful free gift with December's yarn of the month. The crochet pattern is called Snowball Fight Cowl. Skill intermediate. And it needs 3 cakes of the yarn. And they have the picture's really small, the picture of the pattern. And the knit pattern is the same, and they don't have a picture of the knit pattern. That's the picture of the pattern that they're providing for this month. If I can get it to focus. There we go. Sorry, my doggy decided that he wanted to do walkabout and playtime. So, okay, folks, thanks so much for watching. Again, if you like my content, click like, Please click like and subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome for returning. Thanks so much for watching. And that's it for December's. So hopefully I'll like the other months more. So thanks so much. Bye.